Hi, I'm Paul Psluka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 9th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 1. Is from the Bluebook app. Number 9 reads, each of the dot plots shown represents the number of glue sticks brought in by each student for two classes, Class A and Class B. Which statement best compares the standard deviations of the number of glue sticks brought in by each student for these two classes? So, first of all, I have no idea why someone would bring in 20 glue sticks to class. What are you going to do with all those glue sticks? But anyway, standard deviation, what does it mean? It means it's how far you are from the mean. That's what you need to know for SAT anyway. It's a higher standard deviation has more values farther from the mean, meaning the average, and a lower standard deviation has more values closer to the mean. So in other words, if your values are all spread out, you're going to have a higher standard deviation, especially if you've got more values farther from that average. Now, looking at this, you don't have to do anything at all. Now, Class A is going to have a certain average, somewhere between 1 and 7. It's going to be closer to 7 because there's more values by 7. Class B is going to have an average somewhere between 14 and 20. It's going to be closer to 20 because there's more values near 20. You don't need to know the exact average, but we do need to know how far the values are from the average. If you look at Class A and Class B, number one, they're all consecutive integers, meaning there's one after the other. For Class A, it goes 1 to 7, and for Class B, it goes 14 to 20. Okay, so one after the other for both of them. And if you notice, the lowest two values, Class A, it's 1 and 2, have one value each. Class B, it's 14 and 15, they have one value each. Then the third, number 3 for Class A has 3 values, 16 for Class B has 3 values. What I'm telling you is that the pattern is exactly the same for both of them. So the distance from the average for Class A and for Class B is going to be the same between both of them. That's really it. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with standard deviation questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. By the way, like we said, it's equal, so the correct answer is going to be B. Have a great day.